In this video, we are assembling the Yeti slice card. I've got my three main pieces sorted out. I'm going to start with the back. Now you'll be able to tell the difference between this back piece and the middle piece because the back one is a little bit bigger, okay? The shape is pretty much the same, but this one is bigger. So the back piece is that simple. It's just putting this one piece on. This is the backing that goes on after we put the slices in. So that's not going to go on yet. Now we're going to pull in our Yeti. And again, this one is a little bit smaller than the one that is on the back. So you'll be able to tell the difference between them. Same with the slice piece. The slice piece is a little bit smaller. I'll show you here. You can see that it's just a little bit smaller. Fits right inside. Okay. I'm going to glue this black backing to the eyes and the mouth. And then I'm going to pop this up with some foam tape. And you just want to kind of eyeball where you want that piece to go. I'm going to also pop this piece up. And it just fits right there, right under the face, okay? Just like that. And put the bow together. This can be a bow or a bow tie. So it could be a bow tie if you wanted. I'm going to make it a bow. And again, I'm going to use a little pop dot here. Okay, so that piece is done. Now I'm going to pull in my feet. So I've got my three slices and I've got my cover for the front. And I've got my feet and my heart and my hands. So I'm going to go ahead and put the heart on. I am going to pop up the feet and the hands. So right now, the only ones that I can put on are the hands. I have to wait until after I put the card together to put the feet on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue these together, but I'm not going to put them on yet. Okay. So we're going to start with the back and we're going to take our three slices. And I'm just leveling this up with the bottom, making sure that it's straight across. And I'm going to glue my tabs down. I really feel like this helps hold the card together. These cards are an A1. That is like a standard size for an RSVP card. Might even be the same size as a postcard. I'm not sure. It's 4.5 by 3.5. They come with an envelope, so you don't have to worry about which envelope fits them. Each one of these, because this isn't a normal size that I make, so I included the envelope. If I make more of the size, I might just have to make the envelope. But for these, because these slice cards use so few pieces, I was able to fit the envelope into the file. So now I'm going to glue this back on, and it's going to cover these tabs that I just glued down into place. I do mine in white so that I have a nice surface for writing a message on. Now I'm going to insert the center. For me, this is the most difficult part, is getting the slices to go in where they're supposed to. Just getting them in there. I apologize for my cough. I've been sick trying to beat this cold. The more I talk, the more I have to cough. So I'm trying hard not to. It's starting to get the better of me, I think. Okay, so now we're going to slide the front. And I like to use the table, make sure, because these are pretty tight. So I just like to make sure I've gotten it all the way down. And these, I'm going to give a little extra slice here. I don't know what's going on. This one's not sliding quite all the way down. There we go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these tabs. I'm going to fold each one of them over to the side. And I'm going to push my card over the other way, and I'm going to fold them the other direction. They need to be folded both directions so that your card will open and close good. Now I'm going to glue them down, just like I did with the ones on the back, if my glue didn't dry out. And then I'm going to take this cover and I'm going to glue it on the front. Okay, I'm going to use some foam tape for my feet. stick these right on the front. And then there is the Yeti slice card, and this one says, I think it says, "You melt my heart." Again, I don't have a printer here at home, so I couldn't print the little sayings that go with them. Thank you for joining me.